Hi guys, today we're going to install crossbars in our Volvo XC40. We have the front one and the rear one. They're slightly different. The front one is slightly shorter. They're made of aluminum and are shaped like a wing, as you can see. This will reduce air resistance and the wind noise when you drive. Besides that, we have brackets or supports in the set, which will be installed on the side rails. The set comes with the 10mm socket. These crossbars are lockable. We have small Allen key and we have some additional spare hardware. And the set comes with the installation manual. I'll show you how these brackets look like. First of all, we have a key to open this cover. Inside you will see two bolts which will be tightened after we install the crossbars, and they will press these clamps together on the side rail. As you can see, it has this rubber inside not to damage the side rails, and the claws themselves are covered in silicone or plastic film. And also they come with the tie down loops or loop on each of these brackets. The crossbar will go inside this bracket, but first we have to remove these screws. Don't tighten these screws all the way yet. We'll do it after we install both crossbars. The bracket with the L on it will go on the left side, and basically we will repeat the same process. We will remove screws and install the bracket on both crossbars. Another thing you need to do before the installation is remove the cover, and these two balls, guys, you need to undo them almost all the way. Because this will open the clamps underneath and allow us to install. So now they are open, these two metallic brackets, and this will allow us to install it on the side rails. We also removed all four plastic covers. We will attach them in the end. Crossbars will be installed approximately right here. This is the front one. It will go right here on the right side of this pillar trim, and the rear one will be installed approximately right here on the left of this trim piece. So again, simply put them on like this. Make sure that the clamp again is loose and it will be able to grab the side rail. One person can do it because these crossbars are very light. And now make sure that the second clamp grabs the other side rail, and the distance is from the trim is approximately the same on both sides. And the rear one, same idea, guys. Lower it on the rail and make sure that clamps grab it on both sides. And like I said, it has to be positioned approximately behind this trim piece. All these brackets are still loose, so first we will start tightening the nuts on the outside. Don't tighten them all the way yet, just so that the bracket is in position. Approximately like this, and then, guys, we'll repeat it on all four sides and tighten these screws as well. The crossbar is still loose. Try to position these screws approximately in the middle of this bracket, and we will tighten them as well. To tighten small screws, you can use Allen key supplied in the set, or you guys can use a small ratchet and a bit like this. This is 4mm one. This will speed up the process. Now we can do the final tightening of all nuts and screws. There is no specific torque, but it has to be tight, so you have to apply some force definitely to make sure that these nuts don't become loose. And it's a good idea, guys, to recheck these nuts and screws before your trip, for example, and after your trip. This way, again, you will know that everything is secure. And again, I will recheck these ones, make sure that they're tight, and repeat this process on all 4 sides. And now we can reinstall all these covers. Our installation is complete. As you can see, both crossbars are fully secure. This is how they look like on the vehicle. We installed all the covers on all sides. As for the weight, crossbars can handle up to 220 pounds when the vehicle is stationary, when you don't move. When you drive, Volvo recommends not to exceed 165 pounds, including the weight of the crossbars themselves. Also, we will demonstrate how the sun roof works, and as you guys can see, new crossbars don't obstruct it at all. That's it for our video today. If you like this product, we will leave you a link in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.